This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Acura ILX versus TLX. We'll explore how these two luxury sedans differ, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. The ILX is known as a compact sedan, offering a more accessible entry point into the Acura lineup. In contrast, the TLX is a mid-size sedan, providing a larger footprint and often more advanced features. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to performance, both sedans deliver a spirited drive, but with distinct characteristics. The ILX comes standard with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 201 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. The TLX steps up the game with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, boasting 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. Additionally, the TLX offers the option of Acura's super handling all-wheel drive system, providing superior traction and handling in various conditions. Inside, you'll find that both the ILX and TLX offer a premium experience, though the TLX provides a bit more room. The TLX boasts a passenger volume of 93.4 cubic feet compared to the ILX's 89.3 cubic feet. For your belongings, the TLX provides 13.5 cubic feet of cargo space, while the ILX offers 12.4 cubic feet. Both vehicles feature comfortable, sport-inspired seating, with standard heated front seats and available perforated Milano leather upholstery for an elevated feel. Regarding fuel efficiency, the ILX generally holds an advantage, making it a great choice for daily commutes. It achieves an EPA estimated 24 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. The TLX, with its more powerful engine and front-wheel drive, offers an EPA estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize a more compact, fuel-efficient ride or a larger, more powerful sedan. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.